How to display remaining charging time on iPhone. Here's a simple way to check it. Step 1. Go to the App Store and search for apps like Battery Life or Charge Times. Download one with good reviews that shows estimated charging time. Step 2. Launch the app and allow it to access battery usage. Most apps will show the estimated time remaining until full charge based on your current charging speed and battery level. Step 3. Some of these apps come with a home screen widget. To add it, long press on the home screen, tap the plus icon, then choose a size and tap Add Widget. Step 4. Plug in your charger and check the app or widget to see the live estimate. This works best when you're using a stable charger with no background drain. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.